The benefits of black garlic. If you've read that eating a clove of garlic first thing in the morning is very good for your health, but you don't want to spend the whole day with its characteristic taste in your mouth, we have some excellent news for you. You can take advantage of the benefits of black garlic. Not only does it increase our defenses, but you also won't have to brush your teeth all the time. What you need to know about black garlic. Also known as aged garlic, black garlic comes from a process of slow cooking or aging. The result of this is a dark vegetable with a greater concentration of nutrients than conventional garlic. It is very popular in Asia, especially in Japan, where they use it as a spice to season dishes. The process of preparing black garlic is simple. Garlic heads are fermented at a specific temperature, around 70 degrees Celsius, and humidity between 85 and 90. Neither yeast nor bacteria are added. It's a slow process, but the result is an increasingly popular natural remedy. The flavor of black garlic is slightly sweet, although somewhat acidic. The size of the cloves reduces noticeably, but their curative properties become more concentrated. Also, it loses the invasive smell of common garlic. Despite its burnt appearance, the texture is soft and creamy, so it's ideal for spreading, cooking or eating on an empty stomach. It has become an ally for diets, a great side and a superfood that your body shouldn't miss out on. Although the origins of black garlic are not clear, they believe it rose from the work of Japanese scientists who wanted to remove the strong smell of white garlic. To do so, they smoked it for a few hours. The uses of this new ingredient were subsequently demonstrated and it spread to other places. What is black garlic good for? The properties of aged garlic are countless. For example, we can highlight its antibiotic, diuretic, antioxidant and digestive powers, but of course it has many more. It contains sulfur compounds, linoleic acid and polyphenols. It also provides 18 of the 20 amino acids, including the 8 essential amino acids available in nature. Its properties are 10 times stronger than those of fresh garlic. Some of the advantages of eating it include: it prevents cardiovascular disease. It is a great ally for heart and circulatory health, because it's an antioxidant and reduces hypertension, thanks to its allicin content. It also thins the blood, reduces platelet aggregation and minimizes the risk of suffering from strokes or thrombosis. It's a great diuretic. In addition, it provides a good dose of potassium. That's why this form of garlic is great for people who suffer from liquid retention, edemas or kidney problems. When you eat it on an empty stomach, black garlic eliminates excess water from your body. It increases collagen. Those who have skin problems, from dermatitis to acne, including psoriasis and rosacea, as well as certain joint problems, should eat raw garlic. This food provides sulfur compounds, thiosulfonates. These favor the formation of collagen. In addition, it's also recommended for people with arthritis and muscular pains. It improves your defenses. If you get ill frequently because your immune system is weak, you should eat black garlic. It's a powerful home remedy to improve your defenses and face viruses and bacteria. It fights fatigue. Aged garlic is recommended for athletes or those who want to improve their physical resistance. In addition, it's also good for fighting chronic fatigue or exhaustion due to working excessively or a lack of regular sleep. It's a great antioxidant. Without a doubt, black garlic is a great ally to prevent the premature aging of the cells. Plus, it helps eliminate free radicals which, in excess, can cause many illnesses. Treats respiratory problems. Aged garlic is very good for reducing asthma and allergy symptoms. Plus, it helps reduce colds, pharyngitis, laryngitis and other common respiratory problems. It calms your nerves. Eating black garlic can work as a natural remedy to reduce excess stress. It works to calm anxiety, fight insomnia and reduce irritability and bad moods. Other effects of black garlic. As well as the above-mentioned effects, black garlic fights constipation, reduces cholesterol, and has anti-carcinogenic properties due to its cysteine content. Basically, it's great. How to eat black garlic. Since that it's in fashion, it's easy to get hold of a head of black garlic in natural health food shops. In addition, it's a popular ingredient among renowned chefs in Asian, European and American restaurants. It is recommended to eat between 1 and 3 cloves of aged garlic a day, always on an empty stomach. You can also spread it on a slice of bread or toast as part of your breakfast. However, it's important not to eat it before resting. This is because it has an energizing effect and can cause insomnia for some. Athletes may choose to add a clove of black garlic to their smoothies and meals before exercise. After all, it improves performance, even for elite athletes. If you like, you can add it to your meals in sauces, soups, tarts, or rice or pasta dishes. It's also perfect to accompany meat, fish or vegetables. You can keep black garlic at room temperature in a plastic bag or a glass flask for a year without problems.